Hello, good day, viewers. You're welcome to today's class. I remain your tutor, Aisha Bandi. We have 5 questions to solve today, which says that we should find the derivative of the following. So let's begin with the first one, which says 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x. So this is 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x. So we say let y equal to 2x raised to the power 3 minus 5x. So from here we take the y dx. So differentiating this with respect to x, this is going to be 3, that's the power, times 2, x to the power of 3 minus 1, then minus the power here on x here is 1. Okay, so we can still write as 1 times 5, then x the power, which is 1 minus 1. This becomes 3 times 2, which is 6. X to the power of 3 minus 1 here is 2, minus 1 times 5 is 5. X to the power of 1 minus 1 here is 0. So in mathematics, any number or any letter to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 6x squared minus 5 times here, which is 1. So we have 6x squared minus 5 times 1 is 5. So our final answer is 6x squared minus 5. What it means is that when differentiate 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 5x, it gives us a value of 6x squared minus 5. So let's move on to the second question. So we still let y equal to x squared minus 3 over x. So looking at this mathematically, we can simplify this, which is the same thing as saying x squared divided by x minus 3 divided by x. This is the same as this. Okay, so from here we can see that x cancels x, so we have y is equals to x minus 3 over x. The same as saying y is equals to x minus 3x raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, we won't take the inverse of this. From here now we can take the y dx. So the y dx is equals to, when we differentiate x, we have 1 minus, this is the minus here, then the power here, which is minus 1 times 3, then we have x minus 1 minus 1, that's the power. Remember, you always subtract minus 1 from the power. So this is equal to 1, minus times minus here is plus, then we have 3, x to the power of minus 1 is minus 2. So this is the same thing as saying 1 plus 3 over x squared. Okay, so this is the y dx. So this is our final answer. So when we differentiate x squared minus 3, all divided by x gives us 1 plus 3 over x squared. Okay,